thing that is also very important, and you may already know this if you watch my other videos, is that the number one thing that destroys the kidney is a high carb diet. Because if you take a look at diabetics, for example, they have four main big problems. They usually always have kidney problems because glucose destroys the kidney filter. High levels of glucose in the kidney create massive oxidation and destroy the kidney. That's why diabetics have such a high risk of being on kidney dialysis long term. I mean, the big push is to control your blood sugars, but not to control the diet, the high sugar. If you're controlling the blood glucose with medications, where do you think this glucose is going when you take the medication? Is it evaporating? No, it's just going from one place to another. It's being shoved in different parts of the body. Unless you get off these carbs, I don't care how much you try to regulate the glucose in your blood, it's going to create a problem in another place. But the four places that high glucose, either being a pre-diabetic or a diabetic effect, is number one, the kidney. Number two, the brain and the nerves. Three, the vascular system and the heart. And number four, the eye. But diabetic nephropathy is a very common condition with diabetics, and it's destruction of the kidney because you're a diabetic. You have high glucose flowing through your bloodstream. Now, overall, the common symptoms for kidney problems would be anemia, high blood pressure, we've already talked about that, itchiness, edema, foamy urine, because you've lost kidney function. And if the kidneys can't filter out the protein, it starts getting foamy. And then you have ammonia breath is another symptom. And then a metallic taste in your mouth and frequent urination, which usually is occurring because you have too much glucose in the bloodstream. This is why the best thing to do for frequent urination is to give up your carbs and stop snacking at night. It produces dramatic effects within days. Okay, you won't be getting up through the night.